Right then, Joe, well, you scored 53 marks on the paper one in November, which is probably 10 marks less than you needed in order to have got a grade C. So let's see how quickly we can pick you back up to scoring higher marks than that. Those are right. In your times table, there's only 63 only appears once, which is 9 sevens. 7425 is right. That's correct, but you haven't answered the question completely. You need to give that in its simplest form, and 16 out of 30, because you can divide both of those numbers by 2 to get 8 out of 15, that is it in its simplest form. So you're only going to get one of the 2 marks for that. Rectangle is right. Rhombus is wrong. A rhombus is a squashed square. That's a trapezium. And if you count that, you've got 5, and 5 is pentagon, penthouse. So that's a pentagon, not a hexagon. So total for the page, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's good, and that is excellent. Well done, 4 marks for that. That is correct. This isn't. For pattern 4, it's not only the triangles on the bottom, it's what the total is of those 3 rows of triangles. That's just that one row. Not enough there to give you the marks, so 6 to that page. That's good. That's good. No, that's not a clear explanation. What you need to do there is to work out what a fifth of 500 is, which you get by dividing 500 by 5, so it's £100. And 25% is the same as a quarter, so a quarter of that would be half and half again, £125, and then comparing those. That's right, well done. £2.88 is correct. That's correct, but it's £7.12. 88 pence from £8 is 12 pence. So only 1 mark for that. So total for the page, 2, 4, 7, 8. One and a half meters, that's good. 47 is correct. The range isn't. The range is the largest number, 51, take away the smallest number, 45, equals 6. So the range is 6. P is correct, Q is correct, R isn't. The probability of the number on the card being greater than 8, there's only one card there which is greater than 8, which is that one. So its chances of you getting it are pretty unlikely. So R should be closer to there. Total for the page, 468. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's wrong. 180 add 35 is not 220. So that's a careless mistake there. Well done. That's really good. 46, take away 180 is 134, correct. You've then got to divide the 134 by 2, because the 134 is divided equally between those two, and then take that answer away. So that bit is wrong. You haven't done enough to get any marks there. If you'd have divided that by 2, you'd have got one of the marks. 5, 7 for the page. Well done, that one's good. That's good too. That's something that you need to practice if you don't know how to do a multiplication like that. Have a look how I do it on my video clip. It is something you should be able to do okay. That's not right, but that one is. For two decimal places, the two decimal places are the 0 and the 3, the first two digits after the decimal point. So the answer is either going to be 0.03 or 0.04. You look at the next digit along, it's 8. 5 or more rounds it up, it's closer to 0.04. 3 squared is 9, but 2 cubed doesn't mean 2 times 3, it means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So it's 8 times 9 is what I'm looking for there. And that one's wrong. We'll go through that one in class. Okay, prime number, you're looking for the number there that only has itself and 1 as a factor, which is 17. The cube number, again, take a look at the video clip to see how I've explained that. That one's not right. Okay, so that one's right, it's 6. That one's right, it's 9. That one's right. You missed this bit out, so that needs to go to there and to there. We'll do some practice on pie charts. That's marks that you should be able to get. Good. You've made a start there, but you haven't done enough to earn any marks. That's an equation, and you haven't simplified it properly. And here so you've got 6 minus 4x equals, that line is correct. And then that is correct. So actually what that should be is 7x equals 4. And then x equals 4 over 7. So you've done all the hard work there. 6r plus 2 plus 5r is correct, but you can simplify it further, because 6r and 5r is 11r plus 2. Haven't done enough to earn any marks there. And with this one, that should be a plus, because it's minus times a minus makes a plus. Okay, so the area of the circle is correct. 50 times 40 is correct, and then 30 times 10 is correct, but you then need to take, what you've done is worked out the area of that full rectangle there, which is the 2000, which then means you need to take out of it this bit and that bit. So what you need to be doing is 2000 take away 314, take away 300. So you're really close there, but you're not quite. So 5 marks for that. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good page. And the last question, we'll go over questions like that in class. Okay, 6, 12, 20, 28, 35, 40, 41, 42, 51. 51, pretty close to what you got in November, so you haven't really lost much. over the last couple of months, but we do need you to be adding at least another 10 marks to that. And if you look there, even on the first page, there are marks that you've dropped that are easy marks for you to put right. So that's quite encouraging, really, Joe, consider it. So that's a D, and I would say that that is probably 14 marks off a C. Still an encouraging place to be.